Look around, feel it in your gut. The social contract, that invisible thread holding society together, isn't just frayed. It's shredded, torn apart by empty promises and broken rules. You're fed up with systems that say they have your back, but only serve themselves. You bust your ass building, investing, leading, only to find fairness traded for favors, freedom sold for control. The air is thick with frustration because the rules written for the many seem designed to crush the few who dare to rise. This isn't just disappointment, it's a damn betrayal, and it's personal, because this broken pact drags down innovation, stifles progress, and drowns your ability to break the mold. But this isn't the time to despair. It's the moment to ignite a revolution inside yourself and your network. The truth is brutal. No nation, no outdated system will free you. You don't owe loyalty to flags or empty traditions. Freedom isn't handed down. It's seized by those who refuse to be cogs in a broken machine. So cut the chains. Stop waiting for salvation from governments or institutions that have proven time and again they'll sacrifice your potential for order, comfort, or control. Instead, build a new contract, one forged by action, merit, and fierce connection. Begin by refusing complacency. Demand more than equality. Demand excellence, relentless growth, and results that shake the foundations. Connect only with those who blast past old ideas, who build rather than blame, who embody ruthless productivity and radical self-overcoming. Forget mass movements. This is about weaving an unbreakable web of the few who see reality clearly, who understand the markets and the mechanisms of power, and who wield them not to preserve the status quo, but to annihilate it. Invest your time, your capital, your energy into that. Drop the illusion that comfort equals success. Growth aches, freedom demands sacrifice, and true power comes from absolute ownership of your choices. You must transcend old loyalties and inherited limits. Reject tribalism and nationalism because your place isn't on a map. It's wherever your vision leads. This is more than business glory. It's about claiming a life without permission or excuse. Get obsessed with understanding how the world actually works. Beyond lies pushed by politicians and media, beyond the noise of hollow debates, study the real rules beneath the surface and exploit them. Use market forces not to play safe, but to disrupt, to create, to transform. Forge partnerships that don't just support, but propel you. Build a network that's brutal in its efficiency, unshakable in its synergy, and savage in its pursuit of pushing humanity forward. And remember, freedom isn't just a word, it's a muscle. It grows stronger only when tested. When you demand continuous merit, continuous evolution, you don't accept stagnation, you demolish it. You alone control your destiny. No social contract written in dusty halls will save you. It's time to write your own terms, to live by your own code, to connect with those who do the same. This isn't for everyone, only the relentless, the visionary, the few who refuse to settle for scraps. If you feel that fire inside, that itch for more, the rage against limits, then stop waiting and start building. The old world is crumbling, but a new order is rising, and it needs you. Rise, connect, destroy what's broken, and build what's next. There is no other choice.